From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackColorado.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackColorado.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now, the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Welcome to this Haystack TV Spotlight. There are about 30 million adults and children suffering from migraines on a regular basis in the United States. Those frustrated and struggling with migraines are searching for something different. Today we have an answer. There is a comprehensive approach for migraines that's been shown to reduce the frequency of attacks and in many cases alleviate migraines altogether. Dr. Shane Steadman is a board-certified chiropractic neurologist. He is also a certified nutrition specialist. Dr. Steadman can help people that have been affected by the debilitating condition of migraines. Dr. Steadman joins us today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
This is a very important topic to cover because people with migraines just can't live normal lives. What do you typically hear from patients that are suffering?
Usually when patients come into my office, they'll talk about how they've tried every single drug and they've been everywhere, they've tried everything, and they're still not finding any relief. They often say that they have to try 2 or 3 different drugs just to stop the migraines, but now they're even trying these anti-seizure medications for prevention. And now they're feeling kind of loopy, they're not feeling themselves, it's taken away from their work, their family, and their lives.
And no one wants to have to be on drugs.
No.
That's just no way to go through life. What is your approach to migraine relief that they're not doing already?
My approach is that I think that my job should be to find the cause of their problems. And I don't think many doctors really go after the cause, but I feel that's my challenge. If I can find the cause of your problems, then we can actually fix them. And what we do is we'll do a comprehensive evaluation of the person. I look at their physiology, I look at their neurology, I look at what's going on in their life, and we actually say, okay, here's the cause of your problems, here's a treatment plan to actually address the cause of your problems. And if you're willing to participate in this, then we're going to move forward and get you back to a life that you can enjoy.
Now, you don't accept just anyone as a patient. You really go through a screening process. What are you looking for in a patient?
Well, we're looking for, and like I said, we invest a lot of time in our patients. We go through and we do a treatment plan, we do a full evaluation on them, and I'm looking for somebody who's motivated, who wants to participate in their own health care, who's sick and tired of doing the same thing, getting the same results, and we want somebody that really wants to just be active in getting them back on track to health.
Why don't you share one of your success stories?
One of them that I have is great. Her name is Jamie, and actually I was seeing her mom in my office, and her mom one day said, can you help people with migraines? I was like, oh yeah, we do that all the time. She's like, great. Well, I have a daughter who's 24 years old, and she's in school and working full time, and she has migraines, and she's on every single kind of drug. She's been to every single kind of therapist, and so we started working with her. Found out there was some hormonal imbalances, there's some blood sugar imbalances. Put together this treatment plan, said, this is what we're going to do. And after a few months, she was doing great, and she actually has not had a migraine since April.
That's really great. What would you tell someone that maybe suffers from migraines that's watching right now?
I would tell them there is a different way of addressing your migraines that you've probably have never been through. There's a different approach of looking at you from a whole person standpoint. We look at your neurology, your physiology, your physical, structural aspects and say, let's put this all together, let's find a plan, and if you're tired of doing the same thing over and over again with the same result, then pick up the phone, give us a call, because we're definitely doing something different.
And you have a special offer. Why don't you share that with our viewers?
Yeah, our special offer is for the first 18 Haystack callers. We actually take the time and do a full exam. So this is not like we're just going to sit down and talk for a couple minutes. We're actually going to evaluate you. And if you're willing to do that, call the office. We'll get you scheduled. If you don't get the staff, leave a message and stay close to the phone because they're trying to call people back as fast as they can.
Excellent. Well, all great information. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks
I
for
know
having
you
me.
can certainly help a lot of our viewers. So I'm going to tell people how they can get a hold of you.
Great.
Don't let debilitating migraines control your life anymore. Call Dr. Shane Steadman to see if you qualify for an evaluation. The number's 303-781-5617 or visit his website, mountain-health.com. The first 18 Haystack, Colorado viewers to call will receive a free consultation, which is a $325 value. The number again is 303-781-5617. Dr. Shane Steadman paid for this segment. Thanks for watching Haystack TV, the only TV program that features services you can trust because we've checked them out. Visit our website, haystackcolorado.com, where finding the needle just got a lot easier.